Hey there, today I will tell you about how to buy Rocket League on Steam. Want to get Rocket League on Steam since it's no longer available in the Steam store. Here's how you can buy it from another website. You can buy it from G2G, or you can buy it from Epic Game Stores. So I'm showing you how you can buy it from G2G. For this, first go to g2g.com. Then after go to g2g.com, sign in or create an account for you. Then in the search bar type Rocket League, or then search for it. Then you will see different listing from sellers. Here you will see Rocket League PC Steam. From here, just select it, and then here you'll see Rocket League Steam Key Global. So just click on it, and from here you can purchase it for Steam. You have to remember, or you can it support your region. So if you want to buy it, just select buy now and follow the prompt and log in, verify the account, and start playing. Remember, buying accounts come with risks. Always use trusted sellers and check G2G's buyer protection policies. And that's it. You are all set to hit the field and score some goals. If it helped, drop a like and subscribe for more gaming tips. See you in the next one.